Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
All right, so Britt, we're here at this beautiful outdoor living space, but wait, let's go check out what's going on inside, and then we'll come back out.
Awesome. We're over here checking out the kitchen and living space over at this beautiful home on Radcliffe. I love this kitchen because you have upgraded appliances, double oven if you like to cook. You've got a nice, spacious, deep farmhouse sink, as well as plenty of cabinetry and a cute little dining nook off this kitchen, extra seating on the counter if you want to hang out after breakfast. And as we step into the living space, you'll notice that what Heather calls the jewelry of the home. You've got some upgraded lighting, lots of natural light flowing in, a brick fireplace, which is super gorgeous. It's nice on-trend, neutral, but still warm and cozy. And you get to look out at your gorgeous backyard from your living room. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this beautiful home.
Thanks, Britt. I love this room. I love this light, the morning light flooding in and making it feel fresh and ready to go. You've got ample space. These floors do continue throughout the home. And you've got this beautifully modernized ensuite. Massive closet, the countertops are contiguous throughout, and this design style has brought it right up into the contemporary standards we're used to. The other two bedrooms are split on the other side of the house, and that's just great. So welcome back outside. I love all of this outdoor living.
Absolutely. You are set up for everything. Over an acre on this parcel.
In Lynn Haven. That is basically unheard of. The home has been updated, renovated beautifully, as you saw. We've got this covered space out here. You can have a dining, all your friends here. Great party space.
Absolutely. I don't think I would ever leave if I lived here. And did you check out the barn?
I know. So expansive, has utilities, everything you need for a whole nother living space.
So if you had a need for a workshop or extra storage, say you had a local business or something like that, this spot is unbelievable.
Yes, you've got a whole driveway all the way to the back leading to all of those resources. It's phenomenal. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. You can get all the finer details about this property.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one.